So we got one of those Chrysler 300 shifters that won't shift out of park. Got it all taken apart, disassembled a bit. This is the piece that's bad, this pink guy in here. Twist it forward like that, and pull it up and out. And then we're going to drill a hole in there, put some wire through it, hook the spring back up, boom, fixed, better than new. And I even found a little tiny piece that broke off. So that's all it takes for your shifter to stop working, is that tiny little plastic hook to break off of there, and then the spring goes missing or goes loose. So if you don't have this spring, you might as well just order this part. But if you retrieve this spring, then you can totally just drill a hole in here, and then what you do is you put the spring onto a wire, put the wire through the hole, twist it up a couple times on the other side nice and tight, cut off the wire, reinstall it. So we got the wire hooked up in basically the same spot where the hook was. You just want to maybe fold the end of the other end of the wire out of the way so it doesn't come in contact with anything. Just put it in there and make sure she works back and forth, and then hook the spring up to the little hook in the front. Yeah, it's good. It can move back and forth. It doesn't, the little extra little wire doesn't contact nothing. So I'm going to use some needle nose pliers and hook up the there we go. In there with the spring attached. We'll put it back in and make sure everything works. Now it's back together. Now it's just a little test before we put it in the car. I should only have to hit this one pink button on the side and not the one in there, and we should be able to go in. Yeah, there we go. We're moving. Good to go. Yep. Let's go. And believe it or not, this thing actually goes in this car. Yeah. Something like that. So, shifter in the car, one connector here and one connector there. Just do those together right now. One in. Yeah, push the other one in. There we go. Here it clicked. Okay. I slide it on the bolts now. Move the linkages out of the way. So this one hooks to the pink thing that we just fixed. So just clip that over the pink thing and then slide this onto the thing. Boom, that's reinstalled. And this one slides into there, and then you just do the bolt back. I'll move the ashtray. Slide that into the. Slide that. Down in there like that. Bolt that back. Need my other hand. Next, just reinstall the 4 nuts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All done.
Yeah.